is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. So today is gonna be a little different. I wanted to do like a taste test on this new sandwich at Burger King, right? And it's called the Impossible Burger. And by that, they said it's 0% beef. And it's, I don't know if it's all veggie, but I'm gonna try it out and get a couple to see how it tastes. So I'm gonna order right now.
Welcome to Burger King. How can I help you?
Hello, can I get the Impossible Whopper meal?
Would you like to add cheese?
No cheese.
Small, medium, or large?
Can I get a medium with a Dr. Pepper?
Anything else?
Can I also get another Impossible Whopper with just a sandwich?
Sure. Would you like to add cheese to that?
No cheese.
Anything else?
I think that'll be all.
$15.91. You can pull around.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was good customer service. That's how you talk to your customer. Monday. Hello. Thanks. Thank you. My lips might be chapped. Let's try this Impossible Whopper. See how it goes. The meal is for my aunt, but the sandwich is for me. Just wanted to try. I don't want no fries and soda. I still have some food at home, but it's actually lunchtime. But let's see how it tastes. Let's see how impossible it is.
Yes. Can you move up from we're making that pasta? They made the order.
Alright, no problem.
We'll bring it out. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, you guys, so they told me to wait for it, like always, because it is impossible to make, and it might be impossible to eat. So let's try this sandwich out. I'm actually gonna grab the sandwich and go home and park up and try it. So I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on it, and you know, stay tuned. This is like, I'm gonna do like a lot of these videos to go around, try to taste some food or whatever, and give you guys my honest opinion. But yes, yo, stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Don't be afraid to like, share, and comment. And that's it. Alright, peace. I'll see you guys on the next clip. Let me get this seatbelt out. Alright, so I made it home. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so I didn't get the meal because the meal is for my aunt. But here's the actual sandwich right here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need some napkins. Or as you guys can see, the Impossible Whopper. Now, I seen the commercials about this, and I always wanted to try it because I love my Whoppers. I love Burger King. And you know, it's flame grilled to perfection. All the Whoppers, you know, and you know, Whopper Wednesdays is kind of cheaper for the meal. So yeah, I'm gonna open this and see how it looks. I'm gonna give you guys view on how it looks. Alright, so it's a regular Whopper bread. The actual, I don't know if this is meat, but tomato, lettuce, ketchup, onion. I think that's it. Mayonnaise. Also, that's it. But let me try it and see how it tastes. Now, this is 0% beef. I'm going to remind y'all again. So, let me take my first bite. I kind of like the green wrapper. Looks cool. Alright, so let me try this first bite. Ooh, let's see. Chill. That's white stuff. It's actually pretty good, but you don't really taste no meat. Yo, it's pretty good. It's pretty good compared to the regular Whopper, I would say. I don't know why they would call it impossible. I guess because it's zero beef. But it's actually pretty good. For me, I could eat 4 or 5 of these. My aunt would tell you I can finish one so quick, and she would look at me like I'm crazy. But you know, I'm an actual burger lover myself, so I like trying new burgers. I even would travel far distance just to eat a burger, and people would look at me like, you came all the way over here to try a burger. And you know, it's what I do. I like eating burgers. You know, I grew up with it. You know, McDonald's. A lot of people say stuff about McDonald's. It's like stuff is going around saying that I don't know if it's true, but they say that it's like human meat or whatever. I try to look past it because we all gotta survive, man. It's like how we all eat chicken and stuff. Is, you know, God forbid, like it's what we do. We kill stuff to eat it, you know. And I know that sounds bad, but we all that's why we all have meat in our fridge. That's what we need. We need that protein for our stomach. And people will say all this stuff about it and go ahead and still eat like regular meat and stuff in the end. So it's like you're wasting your time talking about it. And you know, we all eat it at the end of the day to survive. Because if say if it was your last day on earth and they say either eat this meat, wait, that don't sound right. I would say if you would say if they say if it was your last day and you would have a choice between eating McDonald's or just drink water to survive, what would you pick? I know a lot of people would say water, but at the end of the day, you need something in your stomach. You need that food. So I don't know. There's a lot of arguments about it, but I still eat it regardless because we gotta eat at the end of the day. So let me finish this Whopper. Yeah, I'm digging this Impossible Whopper. So oh yeah, it's something that I want to talk to you guys about. The Popeye chicken sandwich. I never had one yet, and they stopped selling those, right? I was super pissed at Popeyes. I never went to go buy chicken after that. So, Popeyes, if you're not gonna sell any more chicken sandwiches, you're not gonna make any more money, right? I was super pissed when I heard about that on the news. I went to South Philly. I went around my way. They had the sign up that says no more chicken sandwich. I went to South Philly. I asked them, I said, can I get 8? You guys seen that clip? I was like, can I get 8 chicken sandwiches? I thought they had it, right? And then they tell me, no, we're not selling chicken sandwiches at this time. I was so mad, like, I just wanted to try it. Jesus. I don't know what you would call this, like the Impossible Whopper mukbang, I guess. It's pretty good. All done. My big ass ate the whole shit. So I'm gonna go in the house and get something to drink, cause I'm thirsty as hell. Alright, that's my video. Coming back from a long time. And, you know, as I would like to say, at the end of my video is, damn, I really need something to drink. What I would like to say is, haters are your motivators. You cut them off like a knife. And last but not least, appreciate life, man. Peace.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.